Hello everyone, welcome to Nammal Excellence Bangalore. We are very happy to announce the upcoming Laex SHIKSHA 2.0 program for our students, and this program is an year-long integrated prelims cum mains test series. And in this program, we are also coming up with an unique mentorship initiative where students will be asked to interact with the mentor at the end of the test, followed by a unique progress track report which will be maintained by the mentor to assess the strengths and weaknesses of the students who are participating in this program, and the mentor will ensure that the periodical progress is happening with the student. So as part of this Laex SHIKSHA 2.0 program, we are also planning to come up with an unique answer writing workshop, and this is a workshop concept is the first time which is going to happen in Bangalore. So we advise the students who are actually interested in studying for UPSC examination and those who are doing their final year graduation in college. In addition, those who have given the UPSC attempts for 1 or 2 years, all are encouraged and to attend this session, because this answer writing workshop will give good insights into the basics to the advanced level of answer writing in a stage by stage approach. In addition, we are also providing a Laex value addition material freely to the students, where this material will contain all the list of data, committees, Supreme Court judgments, the important diagrams and examples which you should essentially include in the UPSC mains answers to get that extra half mark to 1 mark per question, and which will make difference in your ranks also. So we are very happy and we are waiting for the students. So actually we encourage the students to come and participate in the program. So this session happens on 16th of September, Saturday at 11:30 AM to 1 PM. Kindly don't miss the session. Thanks for watching.